The Crooked Forest is a grove of oddly shaped pine trees located near the town of Gryfino, West Pomerania, Poland. This grove of 400 pines was planted in the village of Nowy Krasno is around 1930. Each pine tree bends sharply to the north just above ground level, then curves back upright after a sideways extrusion of 3 to 9 feet 1.3 meters. It is generally believed that some form of human tool or technique was used to make the trees grow or bend this way, but the method was never determined and remains a mystery to this day. It has been speculated that the trees maybe have been deformed to create naturally curved timber for use in furniture or boat building. Others sunrise that a snowstorm could have bent the trunks, but there is little evidence of that. The site is open to the public and serves as a notable tourist attraction in the region. So this is most crucial forest in this world, and this is in Poland, West Pomerania, Gryfino. And Dancing Forest is a pine forest on the Curonian Split in Kaliningrad Oblast, Russia, noted for its unusually twisted trees. Unlike drunken forest, the trees in the dancing forest are twisted into several patterns such as rings, hearts, uh, hearts, and convoluted spiral bendings to the ground. The exact cause of these trees the distortion is unknown. According to one version, the distortion is caused by the activity of caterpillar Rationia bolino. In the folk version, the dancing forest flows the movement of the sands. So this is most cruel forest, Grefino West Porania, Poland. So this is most famous in the world also. So this is we call it as also dancing forest, but these trees has look like same dancing trees. So this is most wonderful thing. So for this tree we are saying wow. Grove of the bizarre curve pines in near Grafino in western Poland and is called the crooked forest. All the trees of the crooked forest have the same 90 degrees bend northward at their basement. The reason why the trees have adopted this weird shape is still unknown. The unique site still is a big mystery in this crooked forest. So that mystery when it will go, we don't know. So, but this is mystery is also is there, and beautiful forest also, and beautiful animals also is there in this forest. So let's go and visit this forest and express everything for me in comment. So this is most beautiful place that we have that we don't know in the this is also one place in our world. So we have to wow for this forest. So let's get into another one. Crooked Forest is surrounded by a large forest of straight growing pine trees. Only the 400 trees of the Crooked Forest have this hunting bend in these crooked trees. It is estimated that the trees must have grown normally up for about 7 to 10 years, and then some human intervention must have caused in this curve. Despite the bend, the trees have grown tall and undamaged trees. Wow. The small town where the trees were planted was completely ruined in the Second World War and was only re-established after the 1970. This reason why no one knows about of the trees. It has been speculated that the trees must have bent by some form of tool or technique. The reason and the technique are, however, still not known to everyone. So we have to wait and see what they will say. It is said that a group of farmers planted these trees and gave them the shape to create naturally curved timber for using it as a construction material in furniture or shipbuilding. During World War II, the invention of Poland must have interpreted interrupted the work of these farmers, and they must have left these particular trees as we see them today. Some say that a strong snowstorm might have knocked the trees. Some say that the gravitational pull it in the area might be responsible. The reason is that during the time when Poland was invaded, the enemy tanks must have plowed through the young forest, flattering the trees. Then these flattened trees grew back crooked. All these reasons are imaginations, then there is no witness who can testify them. Finally, cause of the curved forests still remains as a mystery in this crooked forest. So yeah, this crooked forest, so much of mystery is there. So let's see what we have to do or what they will do. So this crooked forest will enjoy this episode. Guys, if you like this video, do like, share and comment and let me know how you are feeling with this episode, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to Dream Boys channel. Thank you.